Hello friends, I would like to welcome you all to this video. I am Sandeep Sharma and I will talk about how to appear in interview for medical representative job. Before giving tips to appear in interview, I would like to talk about pharma as a career and introduction of medical representative job because these two points are very important, pharma as career and introduction of medical representative job. First of all, I would like to talk about pharma as a career. Pharma as a career, pharma market is growing market. Many companies, Indian plus multinational companies are operating in India and good number of job opportunities are available in manufacturing segment and marketing segment and both are growing segment. But we will talk about in this video only marketing segment of pharma. Now I would like to say something about introduction of medical representative job. First thing is this is the first step to enter in pharma segment. This is white collar job. It offers good salary, many opportunities as far as job is concerned, and there is a good amount of growth in pharma sector. How it can be? Uh, you have to join as a medical representative. After joining medical representative, you can become anything of the company. You can become RBM, you can become a sales manager, and even you can become CEO of the organization. So the person who are having average qualification, average education, if they have desire to become something in their life, they have very good chance to become medical representative to become a successful person. Now we will discuss about tip to appear in interview. There are various important points like always go for interview in formal dress, always be on time, to learn about various body system, to study about company for which you are going to appear for interview, prepare different question which can be asked by employer or interview, and be positive. These are the some points which can be helpful for your interview. Now we will discuss about first point, formal dress. Always go for interview in formal dress, like the formal dress can be white shirt with black pant, sky color shirt with blue pant, or with black leather shoes. This may be a formal dress for you. And second thing is always be on time. This is always very important. Why it is so important? Always go 10 minutes before interview. If you will be late, you will be get panic. So always be on time. This will create your motivation high. Now the third point is, this is also one of the important point, to study about company for which you are going to appear for interview. Like you should have knowledge of company turnover, different segment of the company, like in which segment company is working, like cardio segment, skin segment, or diabetes segment. These are the some segments which can be operated by any organization. Another is different big brands. Every company is having big brands, like Landmark is having Ascorel, Candid, and Nicholas is having this is Supradin, and Sanofi is having Avil. So these type of brands you should have the knowledge. And fourth point is, for which division you are going to appear in interview, you should have thorough knowledge in which division you are going to be work, you are going for interview, like you are going to interview for that division which is cardio division. You should have thorough knowledge of cardio segment. Okay, so this type of some points which can be prepared for specifically for the organization for which you are going to appear for interview. Now the fourth point is to learn about various body system. This is one of the most important things for those candidates who are going for first time interview. So for this type of interview, whenever you are going for interview, you should have thorough knowledge digestive system. This can be asked by the uh, employer or interview. Prepare different question which can be asked by the employer or interview. This is very important. Every employer is having set of question, like tell me yourself. This is the most commonly asked question by an employer or interview. What is your ambition? What are your hobbies? What is your strength area? How do you think you are fit for this job? These are the certain questions which can be prepared which can be prepared thoroughly. Now the last point is be positive. Interview is conducted by the interviewer on three parameters, like qualification, demonstration, and attitude. Interviewer or employer always prefer positive attitude candidate. He may compromise with qualification or with demonstration value. What it mean? It mean if an interviewer has to select one candidate from two or three person, he will see who is having positive attitude. He may compromise on qualification or demonstration value. And at last, I would like to thank you. What I would like to take some feedback from you, how you consider my video, and best of luck for those candidates who are going to be interviewed. And best of luck for you guys, and be successful in your life. And thanks. Bye bye bye.